Hello everyone and welcome to Recipes You Like. As you have seen in the title, we are making a famous authentic Bengali recipe that is a sweet recipe, very easy to make. It's a simple dessert made with curd, so let's begin. To start with, we will take 1 cup of hung curd, add this to a bowl and then whisk it till it's nice and smooth. Then add to it half a cup of condensed milk and mix or whisk again. After these two are well blended, we will add in this 1/4 cup of fresh cream. We have used here Amul's fresh cream and then again whisk to combine it. As this is a Bengali recipe, we are adding here 2 tablespoons of melted palm jaggery. Instead of this, you can add caramelized sugar or plain melted sugar cane jaggery. We will add few dry fruits in it. This is optional. Here we are adding a tablespoon of chopped almonds, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, a tablespoon of raisins, that is kishmish, a tablespoon of chopped dry apricots. You can keep some chopped dry fruits aside for garnishing. After giving it a good mix, we will next pour this into small pots. If you want to take out the bapa doi as a cheesecake, grease your pots before adding this mix of curd. Give a light jerk or tap to level it. Garnish with remaining dry fruits. Cover the pots with aluminium foil to avoid bapa doi getting watery or moist. Put your pots in a baking tray filled 1/4 with water. Here we will pop this glass tray into an oven, but you can even make this in a steamer. Time and temperature is very important in making bapa doi because overheating this might curdle the milk. Here we will put this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. In a steamer, steam it over a medium heat and the time will remain same, that is about 25 minutes. Check if the bapa doi has become firm on the set time. Immediately take it out and let it come down to room temperature. Check if it is not wobbling, that means it is perfectly cooked and done. Before serving, chill it for about 6 to 8 hours. And that's it. If you are a dessert lover, you will definitely enjoy it. Hope you like this sweet, authentic Bengali dessert recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.